How to make your LinkedIn profile attractive to recruiters. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make your profile look attractive to recruiters. Now the first and foremost basic thing on your profile to look out for is the image. You want to upload professional images to look more professional. So once you upload that, then the photo should be an actual headset. Avoid using full body shots or a photo that looks like a selfie or includes a cluttered or busy background. Your headshot should feel professional. There is a delicate balance having a profile picture that represents your character or personality while still maintaining some professionalism. Similarly, make sure that the picture is of high quality as well. Then the headline. Your headline is one of the most or first part of your profile someone will see, so it deserves some extra attention. When we run a search on the LinkedIn Recruiter account, the first thing that shows up underneath your name is your headlines. More importantly, it's the only part of your profile in that search view that doesn't get cut off by a see all button. So you want to select articulate your unique value on the highlights as well. Similarly, you want to summarize your unique value. What's the ideal scope of info captured? While the About section should be primarily focused on your professional life, selectively highlighting personal interests can help humanize your profile. Featured content highlight key accomplishments. You want to reinforce your personal brand. Selectively highlight articles, presentations, conference talks, or projects that build credibility around the skills you claim to possess. From a branding standpoint, using eye-catching visuals can increase the chances of this section grabbing a recruiter's attention. You want to set your activity signal you are professionally engaged. You want to engage regularly with your network. Most recruiters agree a candidate who is active on LinkedIn creates a more positive impression compared to those with more static profiles. Seeing a candidate who is active on LinkedIn, posting, commenting, sharing, connecting with others on the platform shows a high level of engagement within their networks. Similarly, the experience. You can certainly find LinkedIn experts who recommend simply including your role titles and company names. You want to detail out your accomplishments that can help recruiters immediately assess your viability as a candidate without having to go through the extra step of requesting your resume. So, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.